Assalamualikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Rabbi shrah li sadri wa yassir li amri wahlul 'uqdatam min lisani yafqahu qawli. In previous classes, we have studied about the types of declination, that is triptot and diptot. And today we'll be studying the last type of declination. Okay, the last type of a declination of a noun. Declination of a noun, that is known as mabni. These mabni nouns do not show any declination, so we use the term in place of. So these mabni nouns, they do not show any declination. So what is the meaning of declination? That means they do not show any sign in all the three states. That is, in the marfu state, in the mansub state, or in the majrur state, they do not show any sign. So we use the term in place of. In place of. So let us see some of the examples of this mabni nouns. So in the marfu state, it is, for example, haza. Okay, haza means this. So it is a noun. It is a mabni noun. That in the marfu state it is haza, and in the mansub state also it is haza, and in the majrur state also it is haza. That means it is not showing any particular sign. Like in the marfu state, it is not showing dhamma, or in the mansub state, it is not showing fatha, and in the majrur state, it is not showing kasra. So these nouns are known as mabni nouns. So we use the term in place of. So haza is in place of marfu. Okay, haza is in place of marfu, and this haza is in place of mansub, and this haza is in place of majrur. So in Arabic we will be saying as in place of marfu means fi mahalli raf. In mansub we will be saying as fi mahalli nasb, and in the majrur state we say it as fi mahalli jar. Fi mahalli means in place of. Okay, fi mahalli jar, that is in place of jar. So these are mabni nouns where we use the term in place of, and they are not identified by their signs, because in all the three states they will be having the same sign, haza, haza, haza. So now we will see some more examples of these mabni nouns. Now we will take one example, that is Musa. Okay, Musa alayhi salam. Musa. So Musa, in the marfu state it is Musa, and in the mansub state also it is Musa, and in the majrur state also it is Musa. So in all the three states we will be saying as Musa only. In the marfu state it is Musa, in the mansub state it is not Musa, and in the majrur state it is not Musi. So in all the three states it is the same, and it will not be having a particular sign. So these nouns are known as mabni nouns. So let us take one more example, that is Isa. So you can see in the marfu state it is Isa, and in the majrur state also it is Isa, and in the majrur state also it is Isa, and in the mansub state also it is Isa. So you can't identify in which state it is, because they show the same sign in all the three states. So we will be using the term, if it is in the place of marfu we will be saying fi mahalli raf, if it is in the place of mansub we will be saying as fi mahalli nasb, and if it is in the place of majrur we will be saying it as fi mahalli jar. Similarly, we will take one more example, that is Hudan. In the marfu state it is Hudan, and in the mansub state also it is Hudan, and in the majrur state also it is Hudan. Okay, so these are mabni nouns. Now we will study another category of a noun. These are known as Asmaul Khamsa. So this is Asmaul Khamsa. These are 5 nouns. Okay, what are the 5 nouns? These 5 nouns shows their different state in the 3 forms, that is in the majrur state, in the mansub state, and in the marfu state. They will be identified by different signs. So what are the 5 Asmaul Khamsa we will study? The first one is Abun. Abun means father. Abun means father. Now second one is Hamun. Okay, Hamun yani brother-in-law or husband's brother. Husband's brother. The third one is Zu. Zu yani possessor. Yes, possessor. And the fourth one is Akhun. Okay, Akhun yani brother. And the fifth one is Famun. Famun yani mouth. So all these five are comes under Asmaul Khamsa, and they can be identified by different signs in the three states. So these nouns show three different signs. Okay, this noun shows three different signs when they are used in possessive phrase. When they are used in possessive phrase. Possessive phrase. So this possessive phrase we will learn in phrases. So in this possessive phrase, they will be identified by three different signs, all these five nouns. So let us see some examples. So if we take the example Zu, okay, Zu means possessor. So Zu is in the marfu state. In the mansub state, it becomes Za, okay, Za. And in the majrur state, it becomes Z, okay, it becomes Z. So these are the three states we can identify here: Waw, Alif, Ya. So by seeing these signs, we can say that the given noun is in the marfu state, in the mansub state, or in the majrur state. Similarly, Abun is there. Abun means father. When this Abun is used in the marfu state, it will be written as Abu. By Waw is the sign of marfu here. And in the mansub state, Alif is the sign, that is Aba. And in the majrur state, Ya is the sign, that is Abi. So by seeing this Waw, Alif, Ya, we can say in which state they are. In the marfu state it is Waw, in the mansub state it is Alif, and in the majrur state you can see Ya. So these are known as Asmaul Khamsa. Alhamdulillah, we have finished all the Arab of nouns and all the four characteristics of a noun, that is distinct, definite and indefinite. Arab of a noun we have finished, and we have finished the numbers, and we have finished the gender also, masculine, feminine. Inshallah, this will do a summary of Arab of nouns. Summary of the Arab of nouns in the coming class. And we'll see some of the examples from the Holy Quran, inshallah. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi.